So on the 23rd of July, we have Venus and Mars clashing with each other. It's a square. We've got Venus in Gemini, 21 degrees, squaring Mars in 21 degrees of Virgo. This is positive chemistry. This is obviously the masculine and feminine in our psyche kind of clashing with each other. It always represents great physical kind of chemistry, attraction, things like that. It's creativity, etc. But these two signs are actually clashing in mutual energy, mutual signs. So it may bring a bit confusing, chaotic and messy vibe to this clash, to this square as well. Venus rules love, beauty, harmony, values and money, and Mars represents conflict, passion, desire, action, frustration, and they clash. Okay, so what can we expect here when these kind of two planets perform this battle of the sexes in our lives? It obviously very much depends whether you have anything in 21 degrees of mutable signs, because that's when you will be affected the most. Some of us will not necessarily feel it very much. But with Venus in Gemini, this is love and communication, love in communication, fighting with, clashing with Mars in Virgo, so desire for routine, cleanup, details, responsibility, productivity. It's about duties, things like that. So we may be pulled in one direction and then on the other hand in the other direction, and this is where this misalignment comes in. So details in love, details in relationships may create some tension in communication. There may be some nitpicking in relationships that spark conflict between people. Tension in money matters, value matters, and some creative pursuits as well. Misaligned desires in relationships, but within ourselves as well. I think the best way to come out of it unharmed is to try to balance communication with practicality to avoid frustration in relationships between us and other people. So let's make the most of it. But if you would like to check specifically whether you have any points or important planets in 21 degrees of mutual signs and how this square between Venus and Mars may affect you, get in touch with me, and for only £20 I can send you an analysis of what you can expect from this specific transit.